Hi, I'm Robbie, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a zebra using basic shapes. What you'll need is a sheet of paper and a soft pencil. The first shape I'm going to use is an oval. Very softly. That shape will be the shape for his head. The next shape will be for his body. And it's almost like a rectangular shape. The next two shapes I'll do are for his legs. What I'm going to do is split those rectangles into two. And then I'm going to do two small ovals on the side of this oval, like this. And those will be for his ears. The next shape will be for his nose, and that's another oval. Like that. We'll put in a shape for his mane. A triangle for his tail. And put in his feet or his hooves. Right, that's his basic shape, and what we'll do now is refine him with detail. We'll put in his eyes, some eyebrows, his nose or his nostrils, we'll clean up the outlines. And start putting in some stripes. Refine his body a bit. Stripes along his legs. Now usually a zebra is black and white, but you can use any color you like. You could use your favorite color. I'm going to do mine in purple. which is my favorite color. I'll just do the mane for now, and you'll have more time, so you could do yours in a different color you like. And then if you want to, you can take an ink marker, if you're allowed to, and just do an outline, just to clean up those pencil lines. So there you go. I'll leave the rest up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye.